Subramanya from San Jose is asking, what about this December inner awakening is going to be so special in regards in the spiritual significance of 2012? What will you do that will be unique in this inner awakening to help people grow at this amazing time? Do you recommend people to come who are already inner awakening graduates? If so, why? Thank you so much, beloved Swamiji. Ananda Subramanya.
Subramanya, this is the biggest problem. Even I am not able to predict what is going to happen. I only know the December 2012 inner awakening will be equivalent to attending 108 inner awakenings. That's all I can say. If you ask me, what way you are different in Akashic reading times, when you do Akashic reading, what is the difference? What way it is special, spiritually significant? I can only tell one thing. During Akashic reading, 10,000 Nityanandas are expressing through one Nityananda body. Same way, if you ask what is special during this 2012 December inner awakening, I can tell you only one thing. It is equivalent to attending 108 inner awakenings. I don't want to get into the details because even I don't know the details. I only know the overall significance, what is going to happen. Now it is up to you. I do strongly recommend people, even who have done inner awakening already, even if you are an IA graduate, don't miss this 2012 December inner awakening. If you are asking why, I can only tell it is equivalent to 108 inner awakenings.
Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. a spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters, India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment. He is the 293rd pontiff of the world's most ancient Hindu organization, Madurai Adinam.
Nityanandaya swagatam Anandanubhavaswadam Sarvaroganivarakam Vande Papa Vinashaktam Nityanandaya swagatam Nityamuktam Nirvikalpam Dhyanaloka Pradipakam Vande Shantamayam Bandham